Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the detailed specifications of the 2025 BMW C 400X, a compact and agile urban scooter that combines BMW's premium engineering with practicality for city commuting. Let's explore the detailed specifications that make this scooter stand out. Starting with the engine, the C 400X is powered by a water-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. It features 4 valves per cylinder, an overhead camshaft with rocker, and a wet-sump lubrication system. This setup ensures smooth power delivery and reliability in urban settings. It has a bore and stroke of 80 mm x 69.6 mm with a total capacity of 350 cubic centimeters, making it agile and responsive. The engine produces 34 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, delivering enough punch for quick acceleration in city traffic, and 26 lb-ft of torque at 5,750 RPM for steady cruising. The C 400X boasts a compression ratio of 11.5 to 1 and a digital engine management system with throttle-by-wire for precise control. It also features an eco-friendly closed-loop 3-way catalytic converter, ensuring it meets modern emission standards. The transmission is handled by a CVT stepless belt drive, paired with a centrifugal dry clutch, making gear shifts seamless and effortless, perfect for stop-and-go traffic. The scooter's agility is further enhanced by a steel bridge-type frame and a 35 mm telescopic front fork with 4.3 inches of travel. At the rear, you'll find an aluminum twin-sided swing arm with a double shock absorber that features adjustable spring preload and 4.4 inches of travel, providing comfort on uneven roads. Safety is a priority, with BMW Motorrad ABS Pro included as standard. The front features twin-disc brakes with 265 mm discs and 4-piston fixed calipers, while the rear brake uses a 265 mm single disc with a 1-piston floating caliper. The C 400X rolls on aluminum cast wheels, with a 120/70 R15 tire at the front and a 150/70 R14 tire at the rear, offering superb traction and handling in various weather conditions. In terms of dimensions, the C 400X has a wheelbase of 61.4 inches, a seat height of 30.5 inches, and an overall length of 86.6 inches. Its curb weight is 459 pounds, giving it a stable feel without sacrificing maneuverability. The fuel tank holds 3.4 gallons, perfect for daily commuting. In conclusion, this scooter isn't just practical, it's designed for comfort, safety, and performance, all wrapped in a premium package. If you're looking for an urban mobility solution that blends BMW's heritage with modern convenience, the 2025 BMW C 400X is your ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and specs.